Yeah. Jet skis over there. Mm-hmm. See those little things right there? They were booked up.
Yeah, the punch up. Yeah, they were booked up. When I tried to book them before.
That's what I wanted to do. Yep. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do.
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.
We are now approaching Scuttle Cove. Tram stop our first Family Beach. For those of you continuing on to Pelican Point, second Family Beach, or to Serenity Bay or Dog Beach. On the Pelican Point, second Family Beach, or to Serenity Bay or Dog Beach. Please stay on board the tram. Thank you and have a magical day.
Yeah.
Love your shoes.